Okay, so welcome back, viewers, to DBS News. Now, let me tell you this. So, a bit of information was posted on international blog site Shaderoom recently, in which they talked about Spice's booking fees. Now, information was sent into the Shaderoom saying that a user tried to book Spice for an event and was surprised after finding out all the details that would be involved in booking her. Now, let me just read this info for you. So apparently the person wanted Spice to host an event. So Spice's team responded. Spice does not do hosting duties. However, if you would like to book the artist for a performance, the following would advise questions you may have. Spice's performance fee is 18,000 USD plus 5 persons traveling. Spice's rider includes 5 airline tickets, 2 first class, 3 economy, accommodation at a 5-star hotel, 1 one-bedroom suite for the artist, and 4 single occupancy rooms with king-size beds in each room. $125 per day for the artist, including travel days, and $85 per team member per day, including travel days. So this information was posted on the Shaderoom. I'm not talking about dancehall Shaderoom. This is the international. This is the Caribbean Black People's TMZ. The minority, the ethnic Paris Hilton site, for want of a better word. This person, this user, I don't know if it was a man or a woman, but this person, I guess, was trying to embarrass Spice by saying, how dare Spice charge this amount? But do you not realize that Spice is the queen of dancehall? Do you not realize that Spice is basically one of the central rising characters on the Love and Hip Hop franchise? No, this is not a little just coming up artist. This is an artist that has established herself and is considered the queen of stage. And as you know, some would argue, the queen of dancehall. So let me just go through this. 18,000 USD is around 20 plus million Jamaican dollars. Now, I know some people will be like, you know, that is a lot of money, but nope, not for Spice. As a matter of fact, I think that Spice's 18,000 USD should go to about 25 or 30. Like, whosoever was booking Spice clearly has no idea of the sort of show that Spice puts on. One shake of Spice's body jaw, that alone should have been 10,000 USD. When Spice's dancers, and I'm talking each of her dancers, split, that should be an additional 5,000 USD per shake, per split. When they invite somebody on stage, that should be an additional 6,000 USD because that is always a viral moment. And you know Spice travels with her videographer, her dancers, and whosoever road manager, I guess, would need to be there. So there's no waste person on Spice's team. Spice is not harboring some waste decomposer like some artists who shall remain nameless, but you know, Parrot Party Man and all kind of things, but that is not Spice's way. Spice is about her show, and she does a bunch of promotions before the event and after the event. And she has over 1 million followers on Instagram and her social media platforms. So 18,000 USD should definitely be increased.
They make me come from all long round there, back up on a dance and a skin out and tear up the whole of my stocking. But guess what? The show must go on. Drop the next track.
I think Spice, every time you go on that stage and you skin out your pum-pum, that should be an automatic 20,000 USD. To skin out your pum-pum, or you go on that stage and you refrain from doing it. To indicate how to move each body jaw should be 10,000 USD. That is exactly how you should do it from now on. When you go on there and you say, Genie, open like sesame, do not open anything if nobody's putting down a 15,000 USD. That is bright and out of water talking about the queen of stage is not worth 18,000 US. No, Spice, I kind of know, say you might charge overseas people 18,000 US, but when you come to Jamaica, just know that you know Jamaica have to get a special homegrown discounted price, so we might you understand probably some 100,000 a million, but you know, but I don't think Jamaica can really afford the 20 million. We can't really afford that. But I know you must be lenient with the Jamaican people, and that is it. Let me know, viewers. That is where I'll end tonight's news. Thank you so much for watching, viewers. Sound off in the comments below. Let me know if you think that Spice deserves to be paid more for her show. Should it be over 18,000 US? Should it be less? Should it remain the same? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Take care. See you tomorrow night.
Him love it, him love it, him love it, him love it.
Hold it, stock it, and a pop it on the beat. Me just a mark it, hold me, twerk it, and a snap it on the wheat. Just a knock it, hold it, and a swap it, and a hoon, and a knock it, raise, pussy, and a hoon, and a hoos, on starting, hey. Yes, so I like it. Look, honey, hoon, and a right, ooh, riding like a naked. What's a father, hoon, and a hoona, name it, honey, honey.